Yeah, now everyone's coming closer.
I'm sure you had a lovely afternoon, and Manam is sort of the culmination of that.
No, Mom, you don't get it. I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
We are truly honoured to have with us the most distinguished leaders of MAHE Bengaluru, including Dr. Madhu Raghavan, the dynamic Pro-Vice Chancellor whose leadership has propelled the institution to new heights, and Dr. Raghavendra Prabhu, the ever-supportive Deputy Registrar, ensuring seamless operations across all fronts, and Ms. Maheima Kapur, the force behind this initiative. I also welcome all the HODs and HOIs and other functional heads present here. Now, we will open the floor to questions from the press.
I'm extremely thankful to all my colleagues, especially the BSA and team, all the wonderful counselors, to Maheima, of course, in particular, for tirelessly working with all the stakeholders, the spread team, the IT team. Dozens of people are contributed. We'll have an opportunity to give a thanks to everyone.
And it's time to call someone else. The most interesting person in the room. Let's welcome the one and only Kenny Sebastian.
When do I have to bike position? You never sit on a bike like this. I don't know why, but I'm comfortable doing this. This is really a position, okay?
From today, at this beautiful campus, you have a magnificent space, exciting, practical tools, resources, amazing facilitators. You just saw Maheima Kapur a couple minutes ago, who will help you succeed in every aspect of your life. Did you notice the name Manam as opposed there? They're perfect palindromes. They indicate balance, and there is no balance if there is no constant movement.
How many times have you checked on yourself to see if you are fine?
This is why, Manam, I'm going to leave you with it for a moment. Does this resonate? How many of you have said, I'm fine, when you're not fine? And how often have you said it? Yeah, that's why, Manam. Yeah. There are a lot of tools, workflows, cheat sheets which are already available. You of course get to actually be part of an open and supportive community which is safe to share and listen. And I'll see you in some of those sessions that come up right after this. Thank you.
So my friends, the final set of keywords for you are balance and flexibility. Let's get together at MAHE Bengaluru to make this a wonderful initiative, a facility, a great place to be. This is certainly a place where you can invite yourself whenever you want to.
Scan the code right now to begin your journey to emotional intelligence.